You cannot see clearly through muddy water by stirring it more. You see clearly when you let it settle. And perhaps your mind needs the same gift today, a little stillness. Take a slow, gentle breath in. And slowly breathe out. There is nowhere you need to rush to right now. Nothing you need to solve. Nothing you need to figure out. For these next few moments, allow yourself to simply be here. Let your body become a little softer. Let your shoulders drop. Relax your jaw. Soften the space around your eyes. Take another slow breath in. And exhale gently. Imagine, for a moment, a quiet pool of water. Perhaps the water has been stirred by the wind. Perhaps the surface is cloudy, and beneath it, you cannot quite see what is there. But you don't reach into the water to force it to become clear. You don't try to push the clouds away. You simply wait for wind to stop stirring the water. And little by little, the water begins to settle. The particles slowly sink. The surface becomes still. And what was hidden begins to reveal itself. Your mind can be like this too. Sometimes, the more we think about something, the more confusing it becomes. One thought leads to another. One question creates another question. And before long, we are searching for answers inside a mind that simply needs a moment of rest. So today, you don't have to solve everything. You don't have to make every decision. You don't have to know exactly what comes next. For now, just let the water settle. Breathe in slowly. And breathe out. Let each exhale create a little more space within you. Thoughts may still come. Let them. You don't have to follow them. You don't have to push them away. Imagine each thought as a small ripple moving across the surface of the water. Notice it and allow it to pass. Another thought may arrive. Let that one pass too. You are not here to control the water. You are simply allowing it to become still. For the next few breaths, there is nothing you need to do. Simply sit, breathe, and be. And as the mind becomes quieter, you may begin to notice something underneath all the noise. A quiet knowing, a gentle feeling, a sense of what matters. Sometimes clarity does not arrive as a loud answer. Sometimes it arrives as a quiet feeling of, this feels right. Or perhaps simply, I don't need to know yet. And that is clarity too. You can trust that you don't have to force your way forward. There is wisdom in pausing. There is wisdom in resting. There is wisdom in allowing life to unfold before you. Take another slow breath in and let it go. Feel the stillness around you. Feel the stillness within you. And imagine that quiet pool once again. The water is becoming clearer now. Not because you forced it to change, but because you gave it permission to settle. Perhaps your life is like that too. You may not need to fix everything today. You may simply need to stop stirring, to pause, to breathe, to listen, and to allow yourself to see what becomes visible when you are no longer rushing. Let this moment remind you, you do not have to have all the answers to be moving in the right direction. Sometimes the next step becomes clear only after you become still enough to notice it. So give yourself that gift today. A little less rushing, a little less searching, a little more breathing, a little more trust. And if there is something you have been carrying in your mind, place it gently beside you for now. You can return to it later. But for these few moments, let yourself rest. Breathe in peace and breathe out the need to know. Breathe in stillness and breathe out the need to control. Breathe in trust and breathe out the noise. You are allowed to pause. You are allowed to be uncertain. You are allowed to simply exist without having everything figured out. And perhaps in this quiet space, you may discover that beneath all the thoughts, beneath all the questions, there has been a calm part of you all along. A part of you that knows how to wait. A part of you that knows how to listen. A part of you that knows when the water becomes still, the path becomes easier to see. So carry this stillness with you today. When life feels noisy, pause, take a breath. When your thoughts begin to race, pause, take a breath, and remember the water. You don't have to stir it. You don't have to force clarity. Let it settle. Let yourself settle and allow clarity to find you in its own quiet time. Take another beautiful breath in and slowly release it. Stay here for 3 more breaths, with nothing to solve, nothing to understand, nothing to become. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Move into your day with a quieter mind, a softer heart, and the trust that sometimes the clearest answers appear when we finally become still enough to see them.